here is the vocabulary we are going to do. These are the phrases, okay? These are twin words. What are they called? Twin words. Now, what do we usually call by the word twins? We use when children are born together in the same time, they are also called twins, right? So let's find out what are the twin words. They pair up with the words and usually are used together. They are used together. They are called twin words. For example, over here, ups and downs, hale and hearty, do's and don'ts, here and there, safe and sound, wear and tear, bread and butter. So these are twin words. In the sentences, we sometimes use it in the sentences. These twin words are used. Okay. So here and there, thick and thin, time and again, black and blue, by and large, heap and bound. So these are all these words. These are called twin words. Let's see what it is given in your book. News of the discovery of the Nazca lines spread far and wide over a large area. Far and wide means over a large area. Certain pair of words are used together. These words are called twin words. Here are some more examples of such words. Ups and downs means good and bad times. Hale and hearty means in a good health. Do's and don'ts, rules and customs, here and there in many different places. Safe and sound, safely. Wear and tear, damage or change that happen when something has been used for a long time. Bread and butter, something that provides you with the money you need to live on. So bread and butter. Okay, let's solve this. Fill in the blank with a twin word from the table. Okay, so let's read the first one. The monkeys plucked the flower and scattered them here and there. There, please write it down with pencil. There are a number of do's and don'ts to be followed while meeting a member of the royal family. Third one, do's and don'ts. Second one is do's and don'ts. Okay, do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts. Okay, it will be really sad if she can't sing anymore. The singing job is her bread and butter. ये उसकी दाल रोटी है. Bread and butter means दाल and रोटी. हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, ये मेरी रोजी रोटी है ना. So ऐसे. The roads were dark and bumpy, but he arrived safe and sound. ठीक है? Safe and sound. Life is a series of ups and downs. Life जो है वो उतार और चढ़ाव का रूप होता है. We have both happy and sad experiences. Okay, ups and downs. Now, here again I am going to give you some more words linked with the twin words. Here and then. नहीं sorry, there and then. Okay, there and then का मतलब होता है immediately. Please write it down in your English too. Immediately. Okay, in English too. Here are twin words you can take down in your English too. There and then means immediately. Thick and thin in a good and bad times. Time and again. Time and again का मतलब होता है repeatedly. 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 Repeatedly मतलब again and again. Time and again means repeatedly. Okay, then black and blue. Black and blue means having dark marks on the skin due to an injury. जब किसी को मारा होता है तो वो काला और ब्लू हो जाता है. ब्लैक एंड ब्लू का मतलब है हैविंग डार्क मार्क्स ऑन द स्किन ड्यू टू एन इंजरी. ओके, बाय एंड लार्ज. बाय एंड लार्ज मतलब जनरली. बाय एंड लार्ज का मतलब होता है जनरली. लीप्स एंड बाउंड्स. LEAPS, लीप्स एंड बाउंड्स. BOUNDS. बाउंड्स का मतलब होता है फास्ट एंड rapidly. Fast or rapidly. Now let's see this grammar over here. Here also it is a phrasal verb over here. Okay. Maria Rich called on the government for help. Called on means to ask. Okay. Called on means to ask. Okay. This is a phrasal verb applied over here. Johnny broke down when his pet passed away. Broke down means Rona, or passed away means died. Okay. Passed away means died. A phrasal verb is made up of verbs and one of the two positions of or adverbs. These combine to give the verb a special meaning. The same verb can combine with different preposition and adverbs to form phrasal verbs with different meaning. For example, let's read here. Break का मतलब phrasal verb है break down, break into, break out, break up. Carry away, carry forward, carry on, carry over. Get, these are the words which we can have this phrasal verbs. Get away, get on, get through, get along. Give away, give off, give in, give up. Look after, look up, look down on, look up to. Put down, put off, put on, put out, put up with. Sign in, sign up, sign out, sign over. Now let's take for an example over here. For instance, we are going to take a phrasal verb over here. From the sentence, the thief broke the window pane to break into the house. This is a sentence we can use like this for the phrasal verb. The thief broke the window pane to break into the house. Now here the highlighted words are all phrases. Broke the window pane, to break into, to break into. Now what comes after broke in the first phrase? What follows break? What follows break in the second phrase? Broke in the first phrase is followed by the article the, and break in the second phrase is followed by the preposition into. Now, so that is why it conveys the meaning different from the individual word break and into. Break into. The thief broke the window pane to break into the house. So this is the kind of sentences we use using the phrasal verbs. Let's understand more phrasal verbs over here. Break down. Break down means stop working or cry. Okay. Break in means entering the building by force, especially to steal something. Okay. Break out means start suddenly or escape. Break up means when something breaks into pieces or divides something big into smaller parts or ending up of the relationship. Okay. Then carry something away. Carry something away means to take away, usually with a force. Okay. Get carried away. Get carried away का मतलब होता है lose self control. Carry forward. Carry forward. What do you mean by carry forward? Transfer numbers to a new page or account. Carry on. Carry on means to continue to do an activity. Carry over. Postpone an event. Keep something and apply or act on it in a new situation. Get away. Get away का मतलब होता है escape. Get on means continue. Get through का मतलब होता है pass or help someone to pass a difficult experience or period. Get along. You can even write it down in English too for your record, for your memory, for your vocabulary. Okay, for your building up your vocabulary. Get along का मतलब होता है have a friendly relationship. Give away. Let something become known. Okay, or give something free. Give off का मतलब होता है produce something such as heat, light or smell. Give in का मतलब होता है admit defeat. Give up का मतलब होता है stop making an effort or habit. Look after का मतलब होता है take care of. Look up means to improve. Okay. Now, look down on. Think yourself superior to others. Look up to have lot of respect for someone. Okay. Then put down. Criticize someone. Record something in writing. Okay. So that is the meaning of put down. Put something off. Postpone something. Put somebody off. Cause someone to feel dislike or distrust. Make somebody lose interest in something. Okay, so these are the meaning. Now put on. Now put on means wear a garment. Wear a garment or jewelry. Cause a device to work. Start to play recorded music. Okay. Put someone out means to make someone cry or irritated. Put something out means turn off a light. Okay. Then sign in. Sign in का मतलब होता है write your name on arrival as in the hotel. Okay. As we do it in hotel, no, sign in, write your name on arrival. Sign up. Agree to do something. Sign up means agree to do something. Sign out. Write your name on departure. Or opposite of sign in is sign out. Sign over. To officially give your property to someone by writing your name on the document. Sign over का ये मतलब होता है. ठीक है. Now another some phrasal verb more I can add up, like break out, call back, come forward, get together, look forward to. These are some more phrasal verbs you can add on to your dictionary, your memory. Okay. Now let's solve fill in the blanks over here. There are some phrasal verbs: look after, give in, sign in, get along, break into, put off, get on, look up to. Okay. So first one, lock your doors. Thieves might break into your house and steal your valuables. Sonia and her sister do not get along. They are always quarreling. Third one, not wanting to give in. The boxer fought harder and won the match. He says, fourth one, he stays at home to look after his aged parents. Fifth one, you need to sign in before downloading content from this website. Sixth, Jisha is trying to put off meeting her boss because she has not done her work. I need to get on with cleaning my room before the guest arrive. He is a person whom we respect and look up to. Full stop.